These are like these beans, butter beans. They call it as butter beans. They got like good demand here and very yummy, like to eat. And this is again one medicinal kind of plant where we take this for our stomach ulcers, and it's very good for our stomach. It's like small thing that we have here, anthuriums, and these are called Mysore trumpets. Right. You see, I have like close to 7 to 8 varieties of bananas, like G9, I think it's Cavendish, and one native variety from Ooty, from the hill station, and I have this red banana here, and uh, Nendran and Mysore, uh, like Rastali and stuffs, and uh, like many around. This is like the red banana one. Like 7 to 8 varieties of banana that I grow. I collected from different states and all that. I'm trying to collect the blue Java, that is ice cream banana, and 1,000 fingered bananas and all that. Yeah, this is one special variety. This is like Thai red jack. Where you get this red pulp inside. No, this is Thai jack. This is again Chinese guava plant. That is strawberry guava. Yeah, there's a mini. There's again a small mini food forest that I have here. If you actually see, it has got like 4 to 5 varieties of jackfruits, like Singapore jack, and the root jack, and many like that, Singapore and all that, like Malaysian jack and all that. So I have some 5 varieties of jackfruits growing here. This is like the Rudraksha plant, right? We planted it as a Rudraksha, but it turned out to be a different plant. We need to wait and have a check. And we have this peaches here, plums, fig, and all that. And I have this vanilla inside, vanilla, fig, again mulberries, jumbo custard apples, fajovas again here, coffee growing, mulberry. Yeah, these are the few that I grow. I'm just still collecting it. I have what is it? Hybrid star fruit. I very badly wanted to collect the sweet Stella cherry. Stella, it's called Stella cherry, right? Stella cherry, and waiting for it. I have this Assam lemon. It has a long variety of lemon. It's got a different flavor in it. This is like Assam lemon. I collected from North India. This just started growing. This is again hybrid star fruit, and this is like again avocados. That is Mozambique. Yeah, again, if you could see this space, I have many plants growing in there, different varieties of this thing, and I grow this beans crop cultivation. Crop cultivation. It has got an amazing weather here, so you can grow all like this. Blueberries. Yeah, I'm trying to plant blueberries here because blueberry farming, some people have taken up here, and it is doing really good. I want to take it up. So we grow radish, carrot, beans, potatoes, and many things here. Right. So this is like small introduction of my collections. I still wanted to collect around 200 to 300 varieties of exotic fruit varieties that I have fit in my list. I have my list. It is like I keep listing them since like 10 years. I'm trying to collect all these plants and all that. Yeah, this is. I don't know. I somehow like growing this exotic fruit varieties, and I wanted to. I'm a retired life doing this, and yeah. All right. Thank you.